Oh. It's open. It's open. It's open. It's open. All right. Okay. Oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Now you get where they are. Okay. Chairs. What chair? Oh boy. I gotta take these out first. Wow. Okay. Yep. Looks like these two. Looks like these two. Oh boy. Why two? Okay, I think I would say one because other people say it, but yeah. See you then. It's the official product that I'm sitting in right now. It kind of rocks a little bit, but not too much. And what I'm noticing right now is that it's really sturdy, kind of bounces a little bit, but it's good to know. It's a good, solid chair. It's good and it's solid. Turning it around, it doesn't really have legs, but this stand, as I like to call it, this stand, so that I can sit. And I know that's an oxymoron, but there we go. Standing and sitting are two different things. So technically, I'm using a stand to sit in this chair. Buy this product. Link in the description.